Tommy, and today I'm going to be trying to dig up this, like, egg, and then there's a little dinosaur in it, and I don't really know what dinosaur it is, so we're both going to try to find it out. So I just put it in water, so it's a little soak. Oh my god, I really want to know what is inside of it, because the box is downstairs, and there's like it looked like there's really cool stuff, like really cool dinosaurs inside here. So I got this far through because the water is so now it's so easy to. It looks like puke. I don't really like it. Oh, my blade just broke in half. I'm just gonna break this. There's nothing in it. Oh, got on my shirt. Can I just break it? Be like, oh, I really want to eat it. Oh, I broke it. Oh my god, look. Look right. There's something right there. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's just that. Oh yeah, by the way, happy Easter. Right now, when I'm filming it, it's Easter, so. Okay. Oh my god. I can just break in half. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna break it. Yeah, what the heck did I just get? I'm just gonna go and wash my hands. So, I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm also gonna get this dinosaur is right here, but I want it to be a secret, so yeah. In a little bit, I'll catch you in a little bit. What? So guess what kind of dinosaur I just got out? Leave me comments below if you think which one it is. I'm gonna show you in 3, 2, 1. This one. Also, leave in comments below which dinosaur this is, because I have no idea what this dinosaur is. Plus, I'm also gonna be making some slime. So I'm just gonna go get everything for slime. I just got the slime. Now I'm just gonna take all of the dinosaur stuff away, make some slime. Yep. Now I'm done with the puke. Now we can go on to the sticky stuff. Okay, let's see. Let's see what I got in here. Okay, this one. Nice. I don't really want the full one though. This one full? Oh yeah, this one. Wait a minute. I already used this one. But not that one. Not that one. Glow in the dark. I really like glow in the dark, but it's already used. Let me try this one if I use this one. Oh no. We're gonna have to use the metallic glue. We're gonna have to use this one. Go ahead. So I'm just gonna pour everything in. It should be so easy since it's full. Is this even full? Wait a minute. I got an idea. I'm gonna combine 2 glues. So I'll do it. First, I need to get all this one out. Okay, I'll tell you. I'm gonna show you once I'm done with this. So pour off the glue. Because you don't want to be watching the glue. Me pouring out glue, and ask my sister if she wants to say hi to you guys. So I'm just gonna go and grab her. So she's coming. Wait, I think. Come in. Hi. I'm his sister. Does you like my slime? All the time. It's not done yet, but yeah, it just needs. What is this? I have so. Oh my god. It's activator. You not see how much I got in there? I think you just have the bubbles left. Oh. Oh, then I just want some more bubbles. You could cut it open. No, it's farting. Ew. Oh. Well, I gotta go. Bye. Well, that was cool. Oh my god, look how much bubbles there is. It's like crazy. That's when they say crunchy. They mean crunchy. Yeah, there, I did add a lot of activator. Oh my god, I think it's like way too much. I just need to play with it, I think. Ew. Oh no, no, it's not too much. I just need to swirl it around. There's bubbles. Yeah, I got mostly all of those. Well, crunchy's done. Wait a minute, I got a good idea. Remember the dinosaur? He's gonna be he's gonna be right here inside the slime having a little shower. Oh my god. There he is. Barely see him. Oh my god, this is getting so good slime. I'm getting a little bit more. I can't believe like the slime is so nice. So, if you probably want to get this kind of kit because it's only, you want to get, it's so slimy. You want to get this kind kit. If you want to do this with only 2 steps, you should get this kit. Get this kit. You only use 2 steps, but then you just, it's really cool. Yeah, because it's where the crunchiness comes from. It's where all these, balls come from, and then basically all this comes from, and then except the white one I just had. And then there's one over there that I threw that's, well, I think it's changing color because it's red to yellow, but I used it before, so. And please like and subscribe. Go down there and like and subscribe. Subscribe? Yeah. So I said it wrong. Did I say it wrong? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Oh my god. Look how much, look. Oh my god, it's being so nice to me. Gracias. I really want to kiss the slime. I'll kiss it, and I might kiss it after it's really good. So look, the dinosaur's in here. Yeah, so you said some, so I guess I just have to mix it up. I think my sister said, let me check what she said. Oh yeah, you said you just have to mix it up, I guess, probably. Because, well, I wouldn't like, if I just poured glue and activator in it, I'll be like, done. I'll be like, done. I'm gonna be like, my sister would walk in and I'll be like, Dad, can you come walk in and check my thing? And she'd be like, this is not done. It's really bad. So you're just gonna have to really mix it up. I'll be like, but no, I mix it up like 1 minute. I did this. So you have to mix it up a lot. But no. That's what I do. But she said it was good, so. Didn't say it was one, but so. Ah! Oh my god. That was just a spoon hitting something. Oh my god. Look. It's doing so good. At the end of the video, I'll kiss it. Yeah. I love it. It's not too, because I add so much white, it's like not too much of glow in the dark. Wait, I'm going to check if it can glow in the dark still. I really want to, because, well, you want stuff to glow in the dark. Just like we do. Let me check. I'm going to go and turn off the lights. It's dark, right? It kind of glows in the dark. Look, guys. It kind of. No, it doesn't. It doesn't glow in the dark. I'm going to turn the lights back on. Okay. So, I guess it's not glowing in the dark. So, we just have to add some more. I mean, because I barely add nothing, so. I wish I didn't grab this crunchy slime instead of the glow in the dark activator. Like this crunchy activator. I wish I grabbed the other one, like the one that you can glow in the dark. Because there's this one, where's the one? Yeah, right here. Look, it says glow in the dark. I wish I grabbed that one instead of the crunchy. But the crunchy is pretty cool. Now this is getting really good. Nice one. I love it. God. Let me try to take the dinosaur out. Look, that's the dinosaur. Chill. Slime, chill. Try and chill. Let me just take it out. Oh, don't fall on the plate. Ah! Wait, it's going to be really cool. Just gonna take the dinosaur out. Let's see if it can do it. 3, it's coming down. That was so bullet. Oh my thumbs. Okay. Oh my god, I love it. Just mix it up some more. I'm gonna call test it. I'm gonna call my sister and see if it's good. I'll check. Can you please come and rate this? I think that's a yes, guys. No, please. Okay. You hear that? And Mom said she'll come up and all this. You make it extra good. Else it won't rate bad. I think she'll rate it good because there's a dinosaur in it. And you'll be like, it's cool. Look, guys. I'm just going to take all this off because I don't really need you anymore. Just need to put it back in. Let's go. There's So she's coming up in a minute. So I think it's time for us to say goodbye. I think I'm just gonna play with this, and then when my sister comes in, then I'll show you. Then I'll tell you. So I'm just gonna play with this. I hear her coming. I think she's about to knock. Yeah. Look, it's so good. Hi. Hi. What do you want? How can you please rate this? I use my person.
What is all this little?
It's called a dinosaur.
Oh. Here. Let me feel. Let's do the test.
I don't know if it's gonna be good enough.
Okay, wait here. I need some more.
Take it from my hand.
Color, good. Texture, great. Actually, color, amazing. Texture, good.
I used some white and this. White and this.
Stickiness from 1 to 10 is about like a 4.
Stickiness?
Stickiness, so like 10 being not sticky at all, like 1 being really sticky.
But this is not too sticky. Look.
It's pretty sticky. Well, like it's like snowflakey.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it's really good.
So in all, what was it?
From 1 to 10, probably like 8.5.
Ooh, thank you.
Of course, bye.
That's it for today, show.